Just as important as getting panels on every sunny rooftop in the world, we need individual energy consumers to switch to electrified pathways in our daily lives.
And especially as we go towards electrification, the products and the services and the experience being just better than the alternative is really the route we're going. If the car experience is just better, right? If the whatever is just better, the people will just buy it because it's a better experience. It happens to check all these other boxes, but I think if you hit on the overall value of that, it starts to eliminate some of the very, very specific concern around what am I getting for this electrification thing? And I'm just getting a better stove, just getting a better heating and cooling element.
I am excited that we have just reached 5 million solar installations in the United States, the vast majority of which are rooftop solar systems. But I'm also excited about building a cleaner, more distributed, customer-centric energy system that it lowers emissions and costs while fueling electrification and data centers and economic growth. And it can't happen without the work everyone on here and listening here is doing every day.
I think sometimes when you're in the industry, you take for granted how much people don't think about how their house works. Realistically, unless you maybe have a lot of money saved up, you're probably not going to build your whole system at the same time. So it's like explaining to people that this is a holistic roadmap. Like, what makes sense to start for you? Like, do you need a new car? Do you need this? And then let's build towards this ultimate system.
In our 2024 Solar Snapshot, we found that over 1/3 of homeowners felt that solar panels are actually more valuable when paired with whole home electrification. That's why we are seeing more customers switch from gas to electric vehicles, pair heat pumps with their solar installation, or switch to LED lighting throughout their home.